Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set up different tax or VAT on specific product for different cities in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our product and we are going to set up different VAT or tax on this product for multiple cities. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in WooCommerce general setting and then you see tax tab, so click on it. So tax is totally different from WooCommerce shipping delivery charges. So we are in tax tab and then you see tax option and then you see tax additional classes. Now you see price enter with tax, so select no, I will enter price exclusive of tax and then select calculate tax based on customer shipping address. You see multiple options, so you can select according to requirement. So we select customer shipping address and then you see shipping tax class. Now select shipping tax class based on cart item. If you want, you can enable this option rounding and then you see additional tax class. So we are going to create additional tax class and we are going to use this additional tax class in product. Now press enter, so you can add class name. So after click on save changes, your tax class appear here. So we are going to add name. So we added name VAT on specific product and then you see display price in the shop excluding tax, display prices during cart and checkout page excluding tax, and then you see price display suffix. If you want, you can add it. So we added price including tax colon and then this is important bracket price underscore including underscore tax bracket close. So we are going to display price including tax also in WooCommerce shop pages and single product pages and then select this option display tax total and then click on save changes. Now settings saved and then you see new additional tax class created VAT on specific product, so click on it. So we are in tax class VAT on specific product tax rate and then you see country code, state code, postcode, city, rate, tax name, priority, compound, shipping. So we are going to add row. Now you see insert row, so click on it and then you see country code, state code, postcode, city, rate. So you can add information. So if you want, you can add country code. Now click on it like US. Now you see US. When we add US in country code, it means we are going to target US cities or state code, but we are going to add city name for US. So we are going to add Boston. Now paste. So for Boston city customer, we are going to set 5% rate on product. So you can add tax name VAT, priority 1 shipping. Now click on insert row again. So we are going to add more cities. If you want, you can target country code, so it's up to you. So you can add city name, or if you want, you can add city name without country code, so it's up to you. So we are going to add city name Calgary from Canada. So customer from Calgary, we are going to charge 10% on product. So you can add tax name, VAT or any name according to requirement. Priority 1 shipping. So you can add multiple cities name and you can set different tax or VAT rate for that city and then click on save changes. Now save changes done. Now go to product, open product. Now product is open and then you see price including tax. So our location is not Calgary or Boston. Now go to edit product, open it. Now edit product open and then you see product data in general. Now you see tax status. Now select taxable and then you see tax class. Now select. Now you see additional tax class, we created VAT on specific product. Now select and then click on update. Now product updated done. Go to product page and refresh the page. Then click on add to cart and then click on view cart. So we are in cart page and then you see subtotal shipping. You don't see any VAT. So we are going to change address. Now click on it. Now you see US. So you can select state, but we are going to add city Boston and then click on update. Now you see VAT apply for Boston customer 0.77 for this subtotal. Now go to checkout page. So we are in checkout page. Now you see country region US. Now select Canada and then you see city. Now select Calgary Now you see reload. Now you see VAT 1.54 for this subtotal for Calgary customer. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.